To make a TikTok video go viral with TokMate, start by using its trend research tools to discover the latest trending hashtags, sounds, and challenges relevant to your niche. Craft engaging, high-quality videos that are short, snappy, and visually appealing, incorporating these trends to align with audience interests. TokMate's scheduling feature ensures your videos are posted at optimal times when your followers are most active, boosting visibility. Use automated features to reply to comments and direct messages, fostering higher engagement rates, which TikTok's algorithm prioritizes. Add strong calls to action, CTAs, like tag a friend or duet this video, to encourage interaction. Analyze video performance through TokMate's analytics, tracking key metrics such as shares, watch time, and saves to refine future content strategies. By combining creativity with TokMate's automation and data-driven insights, you can maximize reach, engage your audience effectively, and significantly increase your chances of going viral on TikTok.